69 Mach 1, one of my favorite body styles of all time. And you know what makes it even better? When it's a 428 Cobra Jet car. And that's what this one here is, documented with the Marti Report, factory born red. And even to make it better, a 4-speed sitting in between the bucket seats and the console. And it was born that way as well. Go to volocars.com where you can see 200 classic cars all for sale, and there will be a price tag on every one of them, including this one, and a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this was a rotisserie restoration by a Mustang expert. He did a fantastic job. Probably looks better than new. I know it does. So we got the hood with the scoop, all looking straight, clean, beautiful, no ripples, all square, flush, all fitting real nice, all clean all the way down to the bottom. Sport mirrors. The roof is real nice. I love that fastback style. Door opens easily. I mean, it's going to close easily. No rattles. Got this nice scoop in the quarter panel. All smooth all along the bottoms. All straight. No issues. Love this little dovetail. All clean, straight. Lines up real nice. No issues. This side's looking just as good. Top to bottom, it's straight. Oh, the door's already open. Oh, then you got give it a little more slam. Nice and solid though. Smooth all along the bottom, fits real nice. The factory red paint, again, is polished like glass, far better than it was in 1969, I'm sure. And then it has the matte black on the hood. If you don't know why they were matte black, it's for glare. Race car drivers had the flat black hood so they wouldn't get glare in their eyes. Has the racing hood pin so don't fly up on you when you're doing 110 miles an hour. The grill, the trim, bumper, I'm sure all that was replaced. The front spoiler looks like new. Now on the side, the Mach 1 striping, those are decals. That's the way they came. Has the correct antenna. Original glass was left in the car. There is some mild wiper mark and some surface little nicks. They did put on new reproduction Goodyear tires, Polyglass F70-14s. And when I say new, I mean at the time of restoration, which there's not many miles on it. Chrome wheels with all the trim looking real shiny and nice. All the trim here, all the chrome and stainless door handles. All looks like it's been replaced. Marker lights, gas cap, bumper, tail lights, all that's in mint condition. This too is a sticker. All right, that's the beautiful exterior. Why don't we see if the interior looks good too? All right, let's see what we have in the trunk here. Clean and complete. So the bottom side is all painted up real nice. The latch, the stickers look fresh. The weather strip looks new. Jam is painted nice and slick. And inside we have a matching Goodyear tire with the jack assembly, and this felt mat is actually correct. Oh, it even has a GT wheel. It has the nice padded trunk mat, and it has the rubber mat on top of the gas tank, and it's all painted up real nice. See how the wire is taped down? That's how it came from the factory. So this guy duplicated just how it would have been. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you're notified when new videos are posted. Do visit our website too. There's a buy it now button next to any car. That will get it locked in while you're doing your due diligence. So the jams are just as slick. Weather strips, sill plates, all replaced. This is a deluxe interior, so it has the molded door panels. All that looks new. The lights working in the doors. And this has a stereo, so those are factory stereo speakers at the bottom of the door panel. It's really nice inside here, folks. All this looks fresh. The gauges, the bezels, the wood grain, the dash pad, all look real nice. Fits real nice. All super clean. Now the AM/FM stereo, I think it has modern guts in it. When you turn it on, you can hear it's amplified. So that works really well. Quartz movement in the clock. everything is mint. There's nothing to apologize for in here. Kick panels, lights work. Black carpet has the red mats sewn into them. Console looks like new. 4-speed. That we get all automatics. You don't see many 4-speeds. Got the correct knob. The seat belts look like they're new reproductions. Whole console's mint. So it has the high back bucket seats with the red stripe, all redone, recushioned, all in great shape. Red mats sewn in the back. Got the seat belts, all the upholstery. Side pieces all looks like new. All this looks great. Working lights. Headliner, new. Fits tight as a drum. Got shoulder belts. Visors match. The mirror looks new. The pillars look new. This is a rim blow steering wheel. You gotta get in the right spot. There we go. You gotta squeeze it real hard. That's a rim blow steering wheel. So yeah, this interior, this is really nice. So under the hood is a correct 428 Cobra Jet motor. Runs real nice. Just pulling it in here, you just get a feel for them. And it's all restored original, right down to the factory smog equipment. Ford hoses, clamps, the dots, I mean all that stuff, the S, the OK, it's all back to original specs. All restored. Complete air cleaner system on top. Even the tube going down, it's usually missing. The chrome valve covers, the right spark plug wires, clamps, the cloth around that choke tube there, all of that is proper. Look how nice the firewall. Oh, here's the buck tag. There's a chunk of it missing though. Says that it was red. All clean metal. Batteries bolted down properly. Ford radiator, the shroud, even the labels, fuel pump, all of it looks correct and fresh. Looking really good. So, Michael's going to take you for a drive and see you in a couple minutes.
All right, everybody. A super cool car here today. This little Mach 1 with a 428 Cobra Jet under the hood. This thing is freaking sweet. Killer looks here. Concourse restoration. And yeah, like when it rolled off the showroom floor, basically. It's got all the factory line markings underneath. Really cool ride. It's got correct engine under the hood, 4-speed manual. And yeah, it's got a very original feel to it, as it should, of course. Let's see here. Got the turn signal indicators built into the scoop there. Always like that option. Rim blow horn. It works on all sides. I checked it out. Radio's on. Everything. Check out our short reels that we're putting out on, you know, that show all the functionality of the car inside and out. But I'm really liking this interior. You know, the high back's got a great feel to it. These are slowly becoming one of my front runners as far as favorite cars to drive. And I know they're extremely popular here at the museum, so yeah, I can completely understand why. And this is a pristine example. Let's see what she's got. All right. And just like that, up to a little bit above highway speeds, absolutely no problem. Factory rated at like 335 horsepower. But Jay was telling me the NHRA rated them at 390 horsepower. And yeah, you can see there, it probably is the latter. Great accelerator, no shortage of power. Very nice and consistent. This clutch may take a little getting used to. It does kind of got a fast recovery on it. That was my first time driving it around the block, so bear with me. But yeah, all the gauges seem to be in good working condition. Temperatures coming up, holding, speedometer, everything like that. Tach, nice sounding exhaust there. Fuel gauge, everything works. Great car. Someone's absolutely gonna love this one. Our shop went over this car top to bottom. They literally had like the smallest list of things to do, minor tweaks and adjustments. You can figure out all the, or you can look at all the specifics for that on our website. But yeah, come out, test drive it for yourself. Spend as much time with it as you'd like. We really encourage that. And you know exactly what you're getting, and you know, you're gonna be happy. So, yeah, go ahead, contact our sales department to go ahead and arrange that. We'll be more than happy to help you with that. We need a day's notice to go ahead and do that because all the cars are in a museum setting, and you know, it takes time. We got workers that are going to move everything around, get the car absolutely ready for you. So, yeah, I'd encourage you to do that. It's a heck of a lot of fun. And also check out the website at volocars.com for all the details on this specific car.
The bottom of this car is really nice. It's detailed, all clean metal floors and frame rails, painted with the red oxide primer, and all the factory markings are put back. The assembly line markings are put all over the underside. All the steering and suspensions rebuilt. The Mach 1 comes with a competition suspension, but all that is fresh. The bushings, the shocks, the ball joints, you name it. Correct reproduction exhaust with the little crossover pipe, correct mufflers with the quad tips coming out through the valance and back. You look up at the motor, it's super clean and stock, the correct starter, even has a Motorcraft oil filter on it. It has the correct top loader 4-speed transmission. Rebuilt drive shaft goes back to the correct 9-inch rear end. Fuel tank, fuel lines, every clip, clamp, bolt, everything under there is like new. It's very detailed. So go to volocars.com if you would like to own a 428 4-speed Mach 1. It's probably better than it was when it was new. They'll answer all your questions, including how to get it delivered to your home and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.